Tell me something about it.
Why?
What's your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Naruto.
All right, tell me why.
It's because it has a lot of fighting in it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Who's your favorite character?
Naruto. No, my favorite character is Naruto.
Naruto's
He's
your
the
favorite?
strongest.
He's the strongest?
Yeah.
Okay. When does it come on?
It comes on like I think it comes on at 11, and I think every day.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, tell me your name.
My name is.
You forgot?
No, I don't remember my name.
Tell your name.
My name is Wilton Christian Jacobs.
That's what's up. And tell me where you from.
I'm from New York.
That's what it is. All right?
Brooklyn.
Brooklyn's in the house.
Yeah.
You had a good time today?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what's up. Who you here with?
I'm here with my mom. My dad is lives around here, like down the block.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Who else is here? Your grandma here?
Yeah. Nah.
She not here?
Well, yeah, she inside.
She inside?
Yeah.
You wasn't even sure. Look at you. All right, man. Sign out. You got any shout outs? You want to say what's up to anybody?
Yeah. Nah.
You don't want to shout out none of your friends?
My friends don't even go on Facebook.
So what? Shout them out anyway. They might. You never know.
All right. This shout out to Brian. Yeah.
Yeah. Shout out to Brian. We out of here. Say peace.
Peace.
That's what it is.